We gonna stay up like the ceiling's going way up like nobody gonna break us. I don't wanna go to bed, let's just stay up instead. Stay up. We're pulling into the party and we're shaking off the dust. It's been a damn long week and all we wanna be is way too drunk.
We love you, KEANU.
Go on. Acclaim with, and yeah, man. And have you seen the trilogy? Yes. Okay, now if you haven't seen it though, you can still enjoy this movie. But all right, thank you. Have a good night.
Take pictures, just take pictures. Okay. Don't go, you guys. Just take pictures, just take pictures.
Thank you.
First day, day one. It was like being on the edge of a cliff that you wanted to jump off and that you had done a lot to prepare for. And then once you jumped. And so that's what it felt like.
The action in the movie is off the charts. KEANU, tell us, what was the scariest stunt you did in the movie?
Well, I don't do stunts, so I can't speak to that. But in terms of physical acting and action, the scariest, probably leaping off the building. It was really cool.
Okay, welcome home, KEANU.
Thank you.
Very extraordinary. Yeah. Canada's very own. Neil himself. Yes. Hey, let's go over the middle. We can do whatever we want, Neil. Yeah, I mean, you have your backdrop right here. Where do you want to do? I want to go to the middle. Okay, let's go to the middle. Let's go to the middle. You guys okay if I don't wear a mask? They want to see the beautiful face, and they want to post it on their IG, so they're happy. Check this out. Oh my Look at this. This is beautiful. How does it feel for you to be back? Here, 22 years later, in Toronto, Canada, with this. Yeah, it's very extraordinary. Yeah, I grew up in Toronto, studied acting here, and so yeah, I wanted to be in movies, and so I left when I was 20 years old in my first car and drove to Hollywood. And go on. Good evening.
Good evening. Thanks for coming.
Well, thank you for being here and being back. And so how does it feel, 22 years later, being back here in Canada, a film already getting critical acclaim with Canadians in the cast, and premiering it here in Canada in front of so many loyal fans?
Yeah, it's very loud. It's really extraordinary. Special night. I really had an amazing experience making this film, and it's quite a journey. But anyway, so thank you for being here this evening, and I hope you enjoy the film.
Well, without further ado, let's get to the film. Let's give a round of applause to the star of the film, KEANU Reeves. And please enjoy it, and also make sure if you do enjoy it, Warner Brothers Canada on Instagram and Twitter, and let your family and friends know, December 22nd, it is in theaters. But you get to see it in theaters right now. Enjoy.
Yeah, man. Thank you, Cineplex. I'm glad that you're here seeing it on the big screen. Got some popcorn. Got some popcorn. How's it going, man? And have you seen the trilogy? Nice. Okay, now if you haven't seen it, though, you can still enjoy this movie. But all right, thank you. Have a good night. And The Matrix came around. I guess I met the Wachowskis in 1997. And eventually they said, would you like to do it? And I said yes. I mean, I thought the material was extraordinary. And making The Matrix and the trilogy changed my life. And really grateful for that. So to be here this evening with folks in these times, to go to the movies together, yeah, and to see it in IMAX. I mean, all of the filmmakers, the director Lana Wachowski really wanted to. This film is made for the big screen and for big sound. And that's what IMAX can do and what it delivers. And so, I mean, oh my God. Are you kidding me? I love that. I love going to movies. Anyway, so to see you and be here is really special. Thanks, Don. And I hope you enjoy the film. It's a Matrix movie, so it's going to be trippy, but there's a love story, and there's some crazy action. It might be fun. So, I hope you enjoy it. And thank you.
Yes, to be anywhere in the world this year, where it's all critically acclaimed film, and we're looking forward to see it. Let your family and friends know. December 22nd, free promo. It's coming out. Tag Warner Brothers Canada, but also give love to KEANU Reeves. Thank you, IMAX. Thank you, Warner Brothers. Thank you.
Wild Spellings rule.
Embarked on acting and trying to have a career and make movies in Hollywood when I was 20. So to be 57 and to be standing here is really special, and really special to share this evening with you, and you're probably part of the first real audience to see it. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm glad to get to see it on the big screen and have a full experience and to share with each other.
Well, what do you think? You could be anywhere.
Back up.